Before you create any AI video, you need one thing, which is a strong idea. And instead of guessing, I use Clean AI to discover ideas that already have high potential. So in this first step, I'll show you exactly how to find those ideas and how to prepare them so you can recreate them your own way. Okay, so first thing is to go to Cling AI on your browser. When you signed in, you have this interface. So when you come to this explore here, you have a whole lot of ideas. You have varieties of ideas that you can regenerate, yes. Or you can even, maybe you saw something online that was trending, you can come here and you can search here for any trending um idea, yes. Okay, so for this particular video, I'm going to be using um this particular idea. I'm going to be generating something like this. Yes. So it's okay. So what I'm going to do next is to take a snapshot of this. So I already have this recorded on my device. I'm just going to save this. I'm going to have to do a screen recording of this, or you can just take a screenshot of this, then go to your ChatGPT. So when you get to ChatGPT, you tell it, you prompt it. Okay, first thing is to click on this plus icon. When you get there, you add the idea that you want to regenerate. Okay, so I already recorded this first, so I think this is okay. Baby girl dressing up, yes. Okay, so this is my idea now that I want to work on. So the next thing now is to click on this audio icon and prompts and give ChatGPT my prompts. Okay, so ChatGPT, this video is a video of a girl child, let's say 3 4 years. She's, I think, Black American, and she's wearing a Nigerian Euro and Buba with gele. She's carrying a baby bag, and she's chubby, beautiful, and all. And she's in a closet. She's in a closet where she just got dressed up. Okay, so I want to regenerate something like that. I don't want the exact same thing. I just want to regenerate something similar. Okay, so I want mine to be um. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I want a female as well. Yes, a baby girl. A baby girl of, let's say, age same age range, let's say 3 to 5 years. She's chubby, beautiful. She has a very dark, beautiful skin, and she very dark, beautiful, glowing skin. Then she has a long hair. No, she's very beautiful. She has blue eyes, and I want to see her wearing, what traditional clothes can I see her wearing? Should I also make it a Yoruba? Hmm. Okay, so let's make it a boy. Let's make it a boy now. Okay, so I want a baby boy. Yes, baby boy, age 3 to 5 years. Yes, beautiful. I mean, handsome. Yes, he is in his closet. He just finished dressing up in his closet. That's the environment that I want. The environment where the baby boy is. Then also, I want him dressed up in a full regalia. I want him dressed in Yoruba agbada. Yes, like agbada. So like a king. So he has something like a crown on his head. Um, he has this. He has this. What's it called? Horsetail in his hands. He has a pair of beautiful shoes to match his outfit, and his hair is braided. Yes, it's braided under the maybe cap or crown that he's wearing. Something, I know, something of cultural heritage you get. So yes, that is it. So I want you to give me an image prompt to generate this and a video prompt as well. And I want the boy saying something in particular. I want him talking about his dressing, from his crown to, you know his agbada, his inner wear, his shoe, up to the point where he's showing off his horse tail. I want him saying it like, "This is my crown, this is my clothing, this is my agbada, this is my horse tail, and my pair of shoes. They're all looking beautiful, and mama styled me or papa styled me." You get something like that. So give me an image prompt and a video prompt to generate that, so that when I take the video prompt to Grok, the kid is saying the exact same thing that I just mentioned. Yes. So please give me the prompt to do that. Thank you. Okay, so the next thing we do is to send. And okay, so here we have image generation prompts. I'm just going to copy this. Yeah, it says Nomadic Ultra. Let's just copy this and we'll go over it again. Let's just copy this and we go over it again. Okay, so it stops there. So yes, here. So I'm going to click on this create image to get an image. So we can see a cinematic, ultra realistic scene of a handsome young African boy aged 3 to 5 years old with deep, rich, dark skin and a soft, glowing complexion, standing proudly inside a well lit closet or dressing room, exactly like I stated in my prompt. Okay, yes, you can see they are accessorizing the environment, the lighting. Yes, so let's just generate this now. Okay, so we have our image here, like I stated in the prompt that I wanted a purple or blue agbada to signify royalty. It gave me this exactly. Look at the background, which is the closet. So I have my image now. I'm just going to download this. And next thing is to copy the video prompt. You can see here, I copied this already. And I'm just going to head over to Grok to animate. So you click on the imagine tab here, you paste in your prompt, you add your image, you click on animate image because you simply want to add life to our image. And this is the last image. Okay, so you click on the video, your resolution type, then the seconds. I'll be choosing 10 seconds here because the ball will be saying something, so 10 seconds should be enough. So you simply click on send and it's going to animate the image now. Let's wait for this to be done.
It. This is my baddest of free nights. I'm a shoot at stomach. I'm a master knee. This is my crown. I love it off it. This is my baddest of free nights.
Okay, so we can see in this video, in this animated image, that there is a lot to say within the 10 seconds range. So we're going to have to like reduce the dialogue for this 10 seconds clip. And what I'm going to do is look at the dialogue for here. It says, "This is my crown. I love it. This is my brother. See how fine it is. My shoes and my horse tail. Mama tied me." Basically, this is what the character is trying to say. But because the time range could not fit, this could not fit into the 10 seconds time range. So that's why it's all mumbled up together. And so I'm looking for a way to like reduce some part of this. You can either split this into two. Maybe the first part of the video, the child is saying, "This is my crown, I love it. This is my brother." Then that's all. In the next video, we can say, "See how fine it is. Mama styled me." Okay, so this is my crown, I love it. This is my brother. See how fine it is. So for my shoes, let me just copy. Let me just copy this and take it away. So let's try and regenerate this to see what it gives us. Okay, so where we left off, I took some of the prompts here. I had to split the things that was said by the boy into, I had to split it. So for when I splitted it, I simply came here. Let's look at this now. You can see the dialogue. Dialogue short 15 seconds. So this is said, "This is my crown, I love it. This is my brother. See how fine it is. My shoes and my horse tail. Mama style me." Okay, so everything here is supposed to fit into 10 seconds, but because it feels like 10 seconds is too short a time for all of this to say. So that is why all of these are mumbled up. So now what I did was I splitted this. I like took just this and created the video and animated the video. Then I took this again, see how fine it is as another video. Then I took this again as another video. Then I changed my time duration to be 6 seconds. So that was basically what I did. So we have this. Just some of them are not accurate. So what I'm going to do now for all of this to become one whole video is, because now they are split. Let's listen to this.
Answer me. My shoes and my hostel.
Let's take a
This is my
pause.
proud. I love it.
Can we get another one?
This is my babada, suyo fights. And look at price sparkles. With this Irukere, I feel like a king.
Okay, so I noticed that I was finding it gave it a hard time to like pronounce Agbada. Yes. So I'm going to be skipping that out, and what I am going to do now is to save all of this video. So when I come here, you click on download. When you download them, it saves to your device. So next thing now is I'm going to go to CapCut here. When I did this on CapCut, so this is you import, you go to, okay, normally when you open your CapCut, you have this interface. So you click on create projects. When you click on create projects, you see something like this. So for this, you have to click on this import to bring in all of these videos. These are the videos I just generated from Grok. Okay, so when you click on them, it comes here to this interface. Then you have to drag them here. You have to drag the materials here. Okay, so that was basically what I did for this video. Okay, so it's loading. That's what I did for CapCut here. What is this?
This is my proud. I love it. With this Irukere, I feel like a king. My shoes and my hostel. Papa, starve me.
Okay, so we
This is
have this now. So these are the short videos that I imported from my device into CapCut. So what I did was I basically came here, I dragged them down, then I came to whenever I saw inconsistencies, I basically just cut it out. So what I did was,
this is my proud. I love it.
okay, I love it. So if I want to stop here at I love it, you know where this is stopping. So I just click on this. I click on this and I drag this to meet it there. You get? Let's see this now.
This is my proud. I love it.
See?
With this Irukere, I feel like a king. My shoes and my hostel. Papa, starve me. This is my proud. I love it. With this Irukere, I feel like a king. My shoes and my hostel. Papa, starve me. This is
And basically that is just it. That is how you get your whole video put together as your whole animated separate videos put together as one. So I want this to be in ratio aspect ratio 9:16. So I highlight all of this. I come here. This is already aspect ratio 9:16. Then I come here to drag to fit. Okay, so yes, this is, you can see here now. Nice. Okay, so I saw something. I think I saw one part that was not fit to drag. Okay, I have to do this. Okay, so we can see everything now is looking put together. So the next thing now is you click on this export file. You click on export. You can change the name. Let's just give this a random name. Let's just say baby speaking tutorial. Okay, so then you click, this is video, you click on export to make sure that video is,
this is my proud. I love it. With this Irukere, I feel like a king. My shoes and my hostel. Papa, stop me.
Okay, so that's the end result. You can now click on cancel. Let's now check this out. Okay, so let's play this now. I have this all put together on my device.
This is my crown. I love it. With this Irukere, I feel like a king. My shoes and my hostel. Papa, stop me.
And just like that, we have our whole video put together. So if you're going to be trying something similar like this, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to follow for more AI tips like this. Thank you for staying by. Bye.